So here is a beautiful thing given. If two events are independent, then probability of A intersection B equals to probability of A multiplied with probability of B. The last video that you have seen, we have concluded the thing that probability of A intersection B is the multiplication of both the probabilities. So how we are going to find it? Okay, we are going to draw this sample space. We are going to draw A and we are going to draw B. Okay, this is A, this is B. So what is probability of A conditional B if they are independent? Okay, if A and B are independent, then this is nothing but probability of A, right? So now apply this condition. Probability of A conditional B equals to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. This expression right in the left hand side will give you probability of A, and this expression multiplied with probability of A will give me probability of A into probability of B. That is nothing but probability of A intersection B. That is the answer, right? So now we have got into some beautiful result that probability of A multiplied with probability of B is equal to probability of A intersection B. Just interchange this thing. We're done, right? So this is a problem. Thank you all.